Welcome to our Canva and AI Digital Product Masterclass. I'm excited that you're here because if you are here today, it means you wanted to learn something new, you wanted to grow, and you wanted to have a financial freedom. So today, we're going to talk about something that changed my life that could change yours too. And that is earning through digital products using Canva and AI. Before we start, just a reminder, this is not networking. This is not encoding, gaming apps, dropshipping, or easy money. All right, so this is a pure earning through digital products using Canva. Before, it's Canva lang. Now, dinagdagan natin ng AI. Even you don't have experience, to give you an overview, number one is the exact framework that helped me earn consistently in digital products. To create simple digital products using Canva, and how to use AI to generate your content on your digital product. Understand ano yung mga products na pwede mong ibenta and paano mo siya ibebenta. If you finish this webinar, you're gonna learn, no? You're gonna learn yung step-by-step roadmap for beginners. This is only for you if you are a burnout employee like me who wants a side hustle without sacrificing your health. If you are a mom who wants flexible income while staying with your kids. For you, if you are on OFW, or a student, if you're a business owner. And lastly, this is for you if you're a complete beginner. I'm Christina Ramirez and I'm 23-year-old. Yes, I'm just 23-year-old. Now, I am living the dream life because of digital product. I wanted to show you my story before digital products. I was a burnout BPO employee. So I was working like graveyard shift. Wala rin talaga akong savings before, wala akong money. As you can see there, that's March 2023. Nagme-message pa ako sa kapatid ko just to have an allowance sa job na yun. If you know, in BPO, number one kalaban mo dyan is toxicity. But since kailangan ko ng pera, andun na yung andun na yung desperada na ako to survive. So that's why I chose to stay even though my salary was 15,000. So paulit-ulit yung cycle, utang, sahod, bayad, ganon, paulit-ulit. Bakit ganon? Ba't ako nagsettle sa ganon? Because raised in unprivileged family. So that's why whatever opportunities given in front of me, gagrab ko talaga yan. Ganon. So fast forward, October 2023, nagkasakit ako. So that's because of the graveyard shift and also the stress sa mga mura ng mga customer. So it's really hard. And what's really hard pa is yung manager mo, hindi ka papayagan mag-absent kasi wala ka med-cert. So kailangan ko pumasok, mag-take ng calls, but hindi ko kinaya, nagpa-check up ako. And that's when I learned that I have, pag dito is respiratory tract infection. And guess what? Walang pa kayo manager ko. So ngayon, yun ay naging turning point ko na useless itong income na kinikita ko if yung kapalit niya is yung health ko, yung mental health, yung physical health, even my relationships in my family and all, apektado na rin because of my mental health. I wanted to change my life. I wanted to try something new. And that's when I look for a lot of side hustles. I discovered digital product. So, October 2023 to 2020 to November, na-discover ko yung digital product. I was so skeptical kasi alam mo naman, 'di ba? Ang dami pa side hustle ngayon. Hindi mo na alam anong totoo, totoo ba 'yan, recruiting ba 'yan, networking ba 'yan, 'di ba? January 2024, I encountered again this side hustle. And this time, nagkaroon na ako ng interest talaga. So sabi ko, walang mangyayari if hindi ko siya ta-try. I started zero talaga. As you can see there, zero talaga. And I started without idea. And I started also with scared of failing. Failing because, you know, alam mo naman sa social media right now nga again, everyone is succeeding. So I feel like I'm a loser if ever mag-fail na naman ako dito. I was lost and overwhelmed like you. I started, you know, self-study. I started mag-research. I started mag-check ng mga resources. But to be honest, medyo nahirapan talaga ako. So that's why I enrolled to courses. I enrolled to mentors that were already successful in this industry. So technically, after 6 months, I was able to achieve my goal. Makapag-resign. 6 months po yun. So 6 months in digital products. And fast forward, what happened? Ito na. No? Yung sales, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Yung from 0 to 6 digits. And imagine nyo, 15,000 jump to 6 digits. So before, it's impossible. Right? But not until ako nang nakaka-experience. And I was recognized as the Racketeer of the Month in Racket PH. And na-invite na rin tayo sa mga big brands like Oppo. So parang ang galing lang talaga ni Lord. And nakakapag-speak na rin sa mga events. And I was able to buy every gadgets or mga needs and wants pag-travel na ng international. I was able to celebrate my birthday in Hong Kong, Macau, and last August, Singapore and Malaysia. Pinaka-grateful ako here is I was able to treat my family. Sino dito yung gustong-gustong matreat yung family? Kaya ako doon, that's why ngayon bumabawi talaga ako. And yung after ko ng birthday sa Hong Kong, nagbagyo kami, and recently I just moved into my dream home. So imagine nyo, hindi naman talaga about sa money. You're not here just because of money. Am I right? You're here because you want the freedom that money can give. So that's why we're going to talk about how can we make money on this platform. And I'm so grateful that we're able to build a community, a tribe, diba? From one, now 17,000. And right now, you're already part of it because you showed up tonight. They have 180,000 followers across all social media. So be careful sa mga posters lang. Imagine this, you wake up having your first sale in digital products, no? You're earning 5 to 6 digits nang wala ng puyatan, nang wala ng manager, okay? You're working from home or your comfort home or your favorite cafe. And you have the roadmap. Hindi ka na ma-overwhelm. And finally, you have the time, peace, and freedom for yourself. Hindi mo kailangan maging special to start, okay? Again, as you can see, I'm just ordinary. I'm no special. But I was able to do that. I was able to grow. And I wasn't ready, so you don't have to be ready. If ever you have your phone right now, if ever, kung nasan ka man ngayon, no? Marami ditong, bibili muna ako ng laptop bago ako mag-start. O, nung nakabili ng laptop, hindi naman nakapag-start. O, di ba? Sino yon? So, technically, just start with what you have, no? So, next is, hindi siya mahirap. Bago lang talaga siya. Do you ever remember the first day of your job? First day of your school? As times goes by, after few months or years, kaya mo nang gawin yung job mo kahit pikit, di ba? After 2 years of experience, again, January 2024 and right now, 2026 na. You know, so sa 2 years of experience, sa mistakes, sa trial and error, and sa mga thousands of invested sa mga courses, I finally found, no? I finally found and discovered the hard way yung digital product system that changed everything. What is digital product? This is anything that is created and sold digitally or online. So, technically, wala kang physical product. Okay? Growing siya 23% this 2025. And to be honest, nag-start ang digital product sa US. Yeah, so late lang yung Philippines. Good thing naman, marami na ngayong nag-start, marami na ngayong na-open sa digital product sa Philippines. What is the sample of digital product? So here are the samples, which is planners, ebooks, templates, yan. Yung mga nakikita nyo sa Canva, yung mga templates, that's digital product. If you ever receive like a guide how to lose weight, tapos naka-PDF siya, digital product po yun. Okay? So one of the best example of this is Netflix, diba? Like, monthly tayo nagbabayad, no? Tapos yung Netflix, once lang naman nila sinetap yung movie. Then, anytime we can watch, we can, finish the movies. That's the power of digital product, the convenience. And right now, as you can see, hindi lang Pilipino, sa mundo, almost online na. Even grocery online na. So technically, this era, digital talaga, ang digital industry, sobrang nag-skyrocket talaga, okay? So, kaya now, bakit digital product naman ang pinaka-best side hustle for you? Kasi marami namang side hustle, diba? Bakit digital product? First of all, wala kang shipping and inventory. But the good thing here in digital product, since once mo lang naman siya i-create, and access lang naman i-send mo, you don't need to create 10 products para i-send yung 10 copies. One product, you can send it multiple times. Ganon siya. So, wala ka ring inventory, wala kang kailangang stock. Yan. Next is no physical store. Inventory, wala kang product. So, wala ka naman kailangang stock. So, technically, if you start physical business, magkano ang commercial building ngayon? Magkano ang rent? 'Di ba? But in digital product, wala ka talagang expenses when it comes to physical store. And then in digital product, you can definitely use AI to make your life faster. So, na nagustuhan ko kasi 100% talaga is in sa'yo. Pwede mo siyang gawin anytime, anywhere. The good thing is, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga equipments. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga tools or anything kasi nga, you already have Canva. You already have these tools. This is not networking, okay? Hindi po to commission-based, hindi to invite-invite, at just digital product selling. The best part of digital product, you just gonna create it once, but sell unlimited. Maybe ang question mo, legit ba yan? The good news is, legit po siya. I won't show my face if hindi siya legit, diba? And even financial coaches, nire-recommend to. Sino yon? Chinkitan. Yes, si Chinkitan po, isa sa nagre-recommend, which is, naman, top financial coach yan. So, Would he recommend something that isn't legit, diba?
Na pwede kang kumita habang ikaw ay natutulog is by selling digital products. Ito po ang hindi na rin masyado napapansin to, pero ngayon sumisikat na po. Anong po potential income po pagdating po sa pagbebenta ng digital product? Pwedeng thousands or even millions. And then ito yung kagandaan, habang may bumibili, habang tutulog ka, kita ka, ay grabe, no? Pagbukas mo ng email mo, ay dami na pumapasok na benta. Grabe talaga, no? Gusto mo ba yan?
Ayan, so gusto mo ba yan? So we already know what's AI, right? But the most kilalang AI is ChatGPT. So we all know naman ginagamit natin siya saan? Sa school, lahat na lang, 'di ba? Even sa mga if ever may problem, no, ChatGPT ang lalapitan. But imagine if you're using that in everything. So why not on your digital products, or why not on your digital hustle? Reality na yung ibang business na hindi nag-adapt sa AI, nale-left behind talaga. So, bakit ba mahalaga yung AI? So, kasi marami pa ring mga haka-haka or marami pa ring negative about AI, na ang AI, cheating yan. Di ba? Yung AI, hindi yan maganda kasi hindi naman totoong tao, hindi naman sila human, iba pa rin yung tao. So, that's valid. Totoo naman din yung nafe-feel nila. But the reality is that 77% of people right now are using AI. So, even ikaw, baka hindi mo rin napapansin, ginagamit mo ng AI. So, ano yung mga sample ng AI? Yung Face ID, whenever you use your phone or if ever apps, 'di ba? AI na po 'yon. Next is yung mga katulad ng Waze, 'di ba? Dati maligaw-ligaw ka pa. Yung sa shopping. So whenever you search sa Shopee or sa Lazada or whatsoever, you can see yung mga recommendation, 'di ba? So AI na rin po nagfa-function nun, hindi na po yung tao. Next is yung mga sa Netflix. Mapapansin mo, nag-type ka lang ng movie, lahat ang daming recommendation. So tawag dito, tina-track kasi ng AI yung behavior mo, if ano yung mga recent mong search, pinapanood. So that's when i-recommend niya yung mga movies na connected doon. And next is yung Siri. So AI din po yun. So imagine niyo again, if halos lahat na ng bagay here is ginagamit na natin ng AI, why not let us use AI para kumita ng pera, di ba? Kumita to use that in digital products. Now, let's gonna move on to Canva. We've been using Canva for how many years? And ito yung tanong. Tanong ko dati, like, pwede palang kumita gamit yung Canva? Like, gigamit ko siya sa school, tapos sa mga, for example, mga invitation or what. Tapos pwede pala. So, yun yung pag big aha moment. So alam naman natin, editing tool siya. As a beginner, imagine mo, hirap ka lang mag-start sa digital product, gagamit ka pa ng complicated tools. But the good thing naman, in digital products, there's no limitation whatever tools you're gonna use, Photoshop or whatsoever, kung anumang tools gagamitin mo. But again, for a beginner, that's Canva. Drag and drop lang naman siya, may mga templates na, and then madali lang siyang i-download. Good thing is that, yung Canva, meron na po siyang built-in AI, in Canva AI, na mala ChatGPT, pero, ang difference niya, AI, you can edit yung template inside. So sa ChatGPT kasi, 'di ba, picture, hindi mo naman ma-edit 'yon. But in Canva AI, you can definitely edit agad yung bibigay niya. For example, that's why AI is hindi nating kalaban. It's our assistant. So technically, yung Canva and AI is the best combination or perfect combination for a beginner. 'Di ba? Yung design mo is Canva, yung AI is for your content. Paano ako kikita doon? So, number one is you can create your own digital products, which is yung nabanggit nga natin kanina, sarili mong ebook, sariling templates, pwede mong ibenta multiple copies and resell a product. So, what is this? So, yung mga created ng product, no? Someone created it and then you purchase the product with the rights. So, niresell mo siya. So, ito naman ay shortcut to for beginners. Then, 100% din sa'yo yung income. And then, third is offer it as a service. So yes, pwede mo siyang i-offer as a service. Paano? For example, you created a custom-made template. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-sell sa client mo or ikaw pa gagawa. Tapos i-charge mo siya per project or per templates. So that's already a service and that's more pa, 'di ba? Marami pang services that you can give. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung process. And you know what? Ang dami kong trial and error talaga. Alam mo yon, like before, sa dami kong pinapanood, like, oh my God, what's the first step? What's the second? Ganon. And paiba-iba. Okay, paiba-iba siya. That's why I simplified everything. I simplified all the things that I learned and I gathered for the past 2 years. And that's why I'm gonna show you signature framework or the framework that I've been using, na finalize ko na ito yung pinaka digital product system that really helped me na mag-grow sa digital products. Na ano ba tong dream framework sa digital product mastery? So this is the 5 steps. Yes, 5 steps only ang gagawin natin to create a digital product. First step is decide, refine, establish, arrange, and market and monetize. If you can do these 5 steps, so you can definitely create your own digital product. So first step is the most important part. This is the foundation. So you need the clarity, which is to decide what niche and target market. Ano yung niche? Yung niche, ano yung pinaka-specific mo na market? Kasi if you're going to create a product, pero hindi pa nga sa'yo clear kung ano yung market mo at sino yung target market mo, it will be harder for you to make a sale. Dapat passion mo ba siya? Are you knowledgeable about that specific niche? Kasi super sarap din sa feeling. Gawin yung isang bagay na passionate ka. Something na gusto mo talaga. Demand ba siya? Okay, you can search the demand, no? And dapat problem solving siya. These are the top 10 niches that you can start, no? After mo maintindihan or ma-identify yung niche mo, okay, you need to know yung sino target market mo. Sino yung bebentahan mo? Know their problems. Imagine if lahat ng tao binebentahan mo, lahat ng problema nila, kailangan mong isipin. Kailangan mong alamin. And if you already know, every person, every bracket, every target market has different problems. For example, moms, they have different problems. Students, di ba? Productivity or whatsoever. Adults, di ba? Iba rin ang problems nila. Kapag nalaman mo na yung problem, that's the time you're gonna create the product. Because your product is the solution on their problem. Simple formula, you need to know the niche. Once malaman mo yung niche is target market mo, then problem, and that's the product that you're going to create. I'll give you sample. Niche mo is personal finance. So, sino yung target market mo? Employees, kasi ang problems nila, they don't know how to manage their salary. Kung yung product na pwede mong gawin is ultimate budgeting ebook. So technically, one niche, one product, one problem, and then one product. Okay, yan. So next is fitness naman. Market mo naman is yung mga beginners or busy professionals. Kasi yung mga busy professionals, wala na talagang time yan usually to sa fitness nila. So even the beginners, they don't know how to start. That's the problem. Di ba may problem? Then the solution is 7-day home workout planner. You can use the AI. Di ba? So you can use yung prompts mo or question mo. Create this 7-day planner, blah, blah, blah. Create the ebook with 5 chapters, blah, blah, blah. Then, bibigyan ka ng information. So, you can refine it. You can modify it. Don't worry. Sabi ko sa'yo, lahat ibibigay ko. Wow. So, I have here the ChatGPT prompts. Pwede mo siyang i-screenshot. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Pwede mo i-copy and paste. Diba? Meron ka na dito. Ano yung niche mo? And ano yung target market mo? Diba? Kasi kung wala ka pang target market and niche, nag-search ka agad, create a product. Pati sa ChatGPT, maiinis sa'yo eh. Demanding, wala nang binigay na wala man lang binigay na prior niche or target market, di ba? So technically, everything that you want to put inside your product, you can use your ChatGPT. Paano mo naman gagawing product? How are you going to put everything that you research? And doon napapasok si Canva. So meron ng templates, as you all know, meron tayong templates, hindi ka na mahirapan from scratch. No? Kasi iaano mo na lang copy and paste mo yung galing sa ChatGPT. You need to be careful din, no? Yung policy ng Canva, bawal po ibenta yung as is or standalone product or standalone file. Kasi policy nila yon kasi nga under pa nila yon. Sila may creation nun. So paano siya magiging qualified to sell or to use for personal or selling? Kapag modify mo na yung fonts, yung colors, no, yung elements. So you need to make sure. Okay? Next na gagawin mo is to refine your brand. Why? Why do I need the brand? Kala ko magbebenta lang ako ng product. Because this will be your signature sa market. Kasi anong pinagkaiba mo sa ibang planners, sa ibang e-books, di ba? What's your difference sa ibang nagbebenta? If wala ka man lang specific brand, yung brand color mo, pula kahapon, ngayon blue, naging yellow, o naging rainbow, wala kang specific identity. So, ito yung mga brand name, logo, fonts, yung colors. Technically, your brand will help you na ma-identify ka rin ng customer mo. Na pag nakita nitong color na to, na itong brand name na to, ikaw yung maaalala nila at eventually they're gonna buy your product. Establish your product materials. You need mock-ups, you need thank you page, you need this material. So sa mock-ups, ano to? Ito yung presentation mo sa product mo. Ito yung cover photo. So you can check din sa Canva. Ilalagay mo yung cover ng product mo and you're gonna make a mock-up. Why? Because there's no physical product, right? So anong i-send mo sa customer? Hindi pwede nating i-screenshot, oh. Ito po yung product ko. Di ba ganun pag physical product, picture mo lang yung lipstick. Oh. Ito po yung marireceive mo. Sa digital product, hindi pwedeng ganun. Kasi makikita niya na yung laman. Di, baka copy niya pa yun. Hindi pa siya bumili, tapos may copy na siya, di ba? So technically, kailangan mo ng mock-up. Next is thank you page or yung access page. So what's inside access page? It's the link of your products and instructions. Also, yung contact information. May product ka na, may materials ka na, may brand ka na, you gonna set up and arrange your store. Yan sa Rocket PH, sa Gumroad, sa Etsy, and any digital platform na you can sell the product, no? So, you're gonna upload yung mock-up mo, yung link, no? So, ano yung mga list of stores na pwede mong bentahan? Rocket PH, Gumroad, Etsy, and your sales page. So, marami pang iba na store na pwede mong gamitin and there's no limitation again. But if you're a beginner, I really suggest this store, especially Rocket PH. Ang purpose po nila is to list your product, ma-organize, ano? Kaya na magdi-deliver ng product mo. Hindi na tayo mag-JNT, mag-LBC. Pagbili ng product mo sa store, automatically, ma-receive nila sa email. Meron ka ng Rocket PH, nakapag-list ka na ng product. Yung iba, hanggang doon na lang. Hanggang doon na yung ginawa. Tapos magtatanong, bakit wala po akong sale? Bakit nahihirapan po ako magka-sale? Ganon. Or, ang question, paano ba ako magkaka-sale? So, that's where the fifth step papasok. So, you're gonna market and monetize your product. You need to understand that you need to set up your sales page and you start marketing. And this is the last step on creating and launching your product. So now, ano ba yung sales page? Ito yung parang website or sabi nating funnel that you can use, no? Nandun lahat ng benefits, nandun lahat ng features ng product mo. Kasi in Rocket PH or in any platform, so technically, ang trabaho lang talaga ng store is to list your product, organize your product, receive payments. Store na to, meron na sila mga built-in payment gateways like Rocket PH nga, merong GCash, Maya, banks and all. So, they will deliver the product, but hindi nila trabaho i-promote yung product mo. And that's why the fifth step is the most important part kasi imagine, you created 10 products. Oh, perfect, 100% perfect. But, may bibili ba ng product mo if no one knows your product? Diba? So, but the good thing is, hindi mo na kailangan mag-start from scratch sa website. If you ever feel like, hindi pa ako marunong mag-create ng website, yung Canva, meron pong website templates. Yes, so meron na siyang website templates na kailangan mo na lang i-modify. Kailangan mo na lang i-personalize yung information ng product mo, ng link ng product mo, ng store link, etc. So, kumbaga, yung magiging product mo or magiging website mo, yun na yung all-in-one. Andun na yung iisang link na lang isend mo sa customer. And meron pang isa. And what I've been using is System.io. And the good thing is that free po yan both. Yes. May mga free templates po sa Canva. May templates din na free sa System.io. We want you to make your life easier. Okay, so we are done on the 5 steps, but I'm gonna give you tips on marketing, how to make sale or how to have more sale. Pinaka-importante din. Oo, kasi nga again, mas okay yung isang product but you are marketing or promoting your product rather than you have 10 or hundreds of products tapos naka-stock lang. Di ba? That is, just share your product naturally. Never ako nag-hard sell. Alam po yun ng customers ko. Sila pa nga yung parang namimi. Sabi nga, hindi mo ako pipilitin, charot. Hindi po talaga ako nag-hard sell. Kasi if you don't want my product, ay di wag, charot. Hindi, Hindi ganon. Ang point ko, hindi mo kailangan na 10 posts a day, ganun. Bilhin mo na to, tinadtad mo na yung customer. Bilhin mo to, hindi, inaway. Hindi pa ganun. No, since clear sa'yo yung target market mo, clear sa'yo yung niche mo, no? So, even though fewer people, no? Basta interesado sa product mo, eventually they gotta buy your product. So you don't have to over or OA mag-market, no? So next is you need simple and effortless content. Share your product where your audience hangs out. Where your audience hangs out. And now you can show your mock-ups, your marketing materials, what can your product do. So now you just need one clear checkout link. So yun nga yung website kanina. Or pwede rin yung store, it's up to you. But if you want more sales, highly suggest yung sales page. Remind you this one, to this one. Consistency is better than virality. What are the potential income? For example, you created your ebook or template for 299 pesos. In your 30 sales, you have 9K. In your 50 sales, you have 15,000. In your 100 sales, you have 30 sales. 30K sales is 499, for example. Again, wala pong limit. Why? Create once, sell unlimited. Technically, kung gusto mo ng more than 6 digits, 7 digits, nasa sayo yung decision. Nasa sayo din yung action. 5 steps is decide your niche and target market, R for refine your brand, establish yung digital product materials, arrange your store, and market and monetize. If you can do these 5 steps, again, you can definitely earn in digital products. But again, you don't have to experience 2 years pa bago mo yun matutunan because I give it to you now. So, even though alam mo na yung why, ay yung how, yung what, everything, the tools, the strategies, lahat po yan ay makaka-help sa atin, no? Lahat yan ay powerful. But, these things won't work if inside of you, you don't believe you deserve more. You deserve peace, yes? You deserve time freedom. Also, you deserve opportunities, invest in yourself, financial freedom, and especially success. Sometimes, tayo mismo yung nagda-down sa sarili. Like, bakit di ko naman deserve yan? Like, sino ba naman ako? Parang gano'n. Sino dito yung sometimes mag-motivate ng iba, pero yung sarili hindi ma-motivate? Di ba? I've been there. Like, so, how about you? Di ba? How about you? When are you going to prioritize yourself? No? Kasi sometimes nagiging ano lang tayo robot, no? Gising, work, pasok, tulog. And there's nothing wrong about it. But you're not here if yun lang yung life na want mo, di ba? You might be watching Netflix right now. You might be watching movies, K-drama, or anything. But you decided to attend this training. So technically, you want more. And ako na mismo nagsasabi, you deserve it. From beginner, naniwala lang din sa sarili nila. So si Dayan, she juggles a lot of side hustles. Then call center din siya. So we have the same background almost. And naging lost no after mag-resign. Kasi nga, health talaga eh. Health is wealth. Diba? And then, ayan, right now, she's earning 5 digits, no? Minsan a day pa. Perfect. Next is si Mami Noraline. OFW po siya sa Hong Kong. 16 years old na yung anak niya. Then 12 years niyang di nakasama yung anak niya. And right now, nakapag-for good na po siya. So technically, because of digital products, hindi niya na kailangan bumalik sa Hong Kong. If she did it, you can do it too. And next is si Via. So right now, ano siya, college graduate. And right now, nagkaroon na siya ng sarili niyang printing business. Nag-sell pa ng kanyang sariling digital products. So imagine, these are the some stories na katulad nyo din. And wag na kayo maniwala sa results ko, no? Sa kanila na lang, you know. So possible sa kanila, possible din sa inyo. To be honest, itong mga natutunan, itong mga tinuro ko today, this basics, the strategies, the tips, the steps, the roadmap, magiging useless siya if hindi mo siya itutuloy. Pwede ka naman, hayaan mo na lang. But it's up to you. Imagine if you're gonna start today, December will be your momentum. And then this 2026 will be your transformation. So take it as December is your starting point. December is your practice. So that 2026, hindi ka na mag-start na, anong gagawin ko? What's the first step? Kasi you already started December. And ito yung common ano natin, di ba? Sa January na lang kasi nga, first day of the year. January na lang kasi New Year's resolution. Yung New Year's resolution, ilang years nang dumaan. Ilang years na. So, kaya right now pa lang, nasimulan mo na, kaya ituloy-tuloy mo na. Attending this masterclass is already the first step. So, now, I already gave you everything that you can start. But andun din yung reality na it's really hard then if you're gonna do it alone, if without guidance, if without support. Marami ba tayong natutunan? Okay lang ba if i-share ko sa inyo yung full program where, yun nga, yung 2 years kung ginugol ng mga trial and error. And again, you don't have to experience those mistakes. Again, you don't have to do everything that I did or whatever na trial and error. And right now, you're gonna learn it in just 7 days. And right now, you already know the roadmap, but the question, how to do it actually, right? And sometimes, even though we have a lot of information, we know what to do, but we don't know paano siya execute. I wanted to show you the newest version of Creations PH Digital Tribe program, Digital Product Mastery. So kanina, I showed you the Dream Framework. And inside the Digital Product Mastery, you're gonna learn how to execute all the things that you know, all the things that I teach tonight. And this is a 7-day step-by-step program to learn how to create your first digital product. So again, kanina, I showed you the step-by-step. And this time, if you want a deeper guide or if you want a deeper support, so here is the Digital Product Mastery. What you're gonna have inside this program is you're gonna have your first digital product, like creation of your product. Next is your own store and funnel system. And then start building your path toward financial freedom. And this one, what you will be able to do inside, again, is to create and launch, design and run, and this clarity. Inside the program, you're gonna have 10 modules. Yes, this is the newest program inside Creations PH Digital Tribe. Imagine if yung old system have created significant results, how much more this newest, right? So right now, you will learn the mindset, the tools and the basics in Canva Basics, how to finally find your niche, and the marketing strategies, the sales growth, because we want growth, right? We want to upscale. And lastly, you will gonna have your digital product creator certificate. So definitely, this isn't just a program. This will be your milestone. Na finally, you started something that you finished. No, na you can use this on your clients or either on your portfolio. Are you excited to have your own certificate? Aside from the 10 modules, you will have this bonus trainings from mindsetting to marketing. Kanina, we've already discussed those mindsets. What more pa, inside the program, all those mindsets na nakahelp sa akin to earn consistently 6 digits in digital product. Okay, so, and marketing and promotion, we'll have the marketing 101, we'll have the beginner breakthrough, the sales process blueprint. So technically, everything that you need to master digital product. Aside from the modules, from the trainings, these are the things na ma-receive nyo inside the full program. Number 1 is the beginner's kit. Next is the ChatGPT cheat sheet toolkit. You'll have your free built-in funnel and website. So definitely, hindi ka na ma-struggle mag-create ng own or kakaisip, no? So you will have your own funnel website. You're gonna have a ready-to-sell digital products na din if ever you wanted the selling. You can do it. And you will have the digital product license vault or the licenses on digital products that you can use on your product. And we have this weekly live coaching and catch up. So if you feel like, you know, gusto mo naman talaga, gusto mo mag-start, gusto mong mag-level up, but you felt alone, diba? So here we have a community and you will gonna access the exclusive, no? We have the exclusive community pa po maliban sa 17,000. So imagine how many people are willing to help you. And next is the certification. Exclusive lifetime guidance. So whenever you have a question, Miss Tina, problem is blah, blah, blah. So I'm here to help you. So everything that is mentioned are already part of the digital product mastery. The system is already working for others. So I already showed you the 3 results. But now, here, Miss Noraline, imagine mo every day, she has sales. So nasa bahay na po siya, wala na po siya sa Hong Kong. Ito po is OFW sa UAE. So that's October sale. And this one is yan. So technically, wala na rin siya sa corpo. Wala na rin siya, nakapag-design na din. Imagine mo 40,000 in a month. Not bad. Mga daily cha-chings. She's a mom. Ito naman, sarili niyang digital product, she's a mom. Sarili niyang ebook after the system inside Creations PH. And ayan, first sale niya, college student. Ayan, notification, Rocket PH. Now, yung experience naman nila, natutuwa din ako whenever I receive this messages kasi I was just alone before. Like, all I want is mag-resign. All I want is makaalis sa rat race na yon. And I didn't expect na that one decision can change my life and can change other people's lives too. Imagine this people, kung yung old version pa lang is nagkaroon na ng significant results, how much more this newest version? So you will be the first to experience and to access this newest program. Do you want to be the next story na papakinggan namin? This program isn't just another program. This isn't just another course. This is a full transformation. Yes, again, we're not here just to earn. We want here is the freedom that money can give. And that's where digital products will gonna help us, right? So you have three paths. One is the digital launch. You already know the full program. Inside digital launch, you will access the full program. And aside from full program, you will have all these things. The bonuses, the trainings, the full program, and the freebies. Imagine, yung full program pa lang, pack na siya, all in na siya, plus bonuses pa. And the total value of that is 29,936. Total value, not the price, okay? It means that's the value you will gonna receive, okay? Then the second path is the Digital Pro. If you want more level up or more advanced, more guidance, you can start with this path, which is Digital Pro. Digital Pro, everything inside Digital Pro launch, you will have it in Digital Pro. Plus, this has a Rocket PH course, how to list, how to make a sale, how to create or set up your Rocket PH with the full course. And you will have a free Canva Pro access. Yes, you will have it. And you will have how to launch your digital business ebook. Plus, you will have 2 built-in funnels. Yung sa digital launch, isa lang here, dalawa with Canva pa. And you will have 200 plus AI prompts. And the rest, total value of it is 65,897. So again, everything inside the launch plus this one. So the third is the most important is the premium VIP all-in-one. So bakit all-in-one? So everything inside Digital Launch and Digital Pro, which is 65,897, marireceive nyo siya inside Premium VIP. And this is the best part in Premium VIP is that you will have a one-on-one coaching with me. So the two paths, there's no coaching with me anymore. So here in Premium VIP, you will have a personal coaching with me. You will have 3 months of free Canva Pro. Also, you will have this book creation course. And this one, you will have 5 Canva websites and the rest of everything. And the best part here in Premium is that prioritize on handling questions and feedback. Kasi nga, here, you are in VIP. Okay? And that will be priority product audit. Yes, if you feel like tama na ba itong ginawa ko? Okay na ba to? You can send it to me and we will be prioritized to check your product and audit. And you will have the lifetime access to recorded trainings in the future. And whenever there's an update, you will be the first to experience or to access it. The value of that is 99,784. If all I did is finally help you create your first digital product without confusion, worth it ba? Worth it ba if I give you the step-by-step roadmap without feeling lost again? Worth it din ba if I let you earn your at least 5 digits in your digital products? Worth it din ba if I save you months of trial and error, even years, to prevent overwhelm? Worth it ba if program give you freedom, time freedom, confidence back, and kung ano man experience ng students, gaano kahalaga to sa'yo? Itong digital product, itong pinag-uusapan natin. Gano'n din kahalaga sa'yo if you have a successful digital product. At least isa, no? That you earn 5,000, 10,000, gano'n siya kahalaga sa'yo? How much would you pay to get these things? How much are you willing to pay? Pero sa totoo lang ang true cost, hindi talaga pera. Ang pinaka-true cost is, ng doing natin is staying stuck for months. Katulad ko before. Wasted time searching for tutorial, overthinking, losing confidence, and delay in time freedom. To be honest, ang nasasayang is hindi naman yung pera, it's the time. The time na sana, na simulan ko na, di sana kumikita na ako dati pa. Na sana kung nasimulan mo ngayon, December, natututunan mo na. Because there's no difference if you're gonna start next month, next year. You're gonna start pa rin naman eh. So what we wasted is the time, right? That this isn't a cost. This is an investment. Investment for yourself. Invest once but benefit for your life. So you're gonna learn your skills, you can upscale anytime, and you're gonna build your passive income and earn back your investment multiple. So now, sa digital launch, that's total 29,936. Ano yung good news? I would charge you for 29,936. Not even 15,000, not even 10,000. That's only 2,998. Girl, 2,998. Lahat ng digital product mastery, modules, bonuses, trainings, and this bonuses, that's 2,998. So the next is Digital Pro. Total value niya is 65,897. We have weekly coaching access here. And digital, again, Rocket PH course. If you want an advance, hindi po yan 30K, hindi po yan 20K, hindi po yan 10K. That's 3,998 po. Ito na yung the best part, which is the Premium VIP. Ito na ang pinaka-recommended na lahat, best choice, which is my personal coaching. So we have free Canva Pro access and the priority handling for inquiries and VIP access and all. If you're going to combine this one, that's 7,000, right? If you're going to combine this Digital Launch and Pro, plus this personal coaching and all, VIP, that's only 5,998. That's the 3 paths, okay? All of the digital product mastery, the dream framework, that's only limited for 10 slots for this current promo. So you can send your preferred payment method here sa GCash or Union Bank, submit it on my Instagram, or you can send it or you can check my website here. This part here is one-time lang po siya. One-time payment but lifetime access. So if ever you're not ready for the full price right now, you can have 2 installment option. I mean, split by 2. You can send 50% within 48 hours. You can send 50%. That will save your slot. Now, 10 slots lang po siya. You have 2 choices. First option, do nothing. Wala kang gagawin. After the masterclass, just sleep and forget everything. Or self-study, doing things, everything alone. And the same cycle. Or take action today, follow a proven roadmap, and start your digital product journey with clarity. So you're gonna save time, energy, and effort, years of trial and error. So now the question is, do you want to continue figuring things out alone? Or you wanted a proven system that can save you months or even years of trial and effort? And here's the price tonight. Ito lang po ay dito lang po ito lalabas outside. You will be the first to experience and access the newest version. Good thing is, since you finish this masterclass, we have the exclusive promo, which is free 2,000 worth of digital products if you choose the premium VIP package. Yes, so that's for 10 slots only. Screenshot mo to and then send mo sa akin para maging qualified ka sa promo na to. Lahat ng magte-take ng action for premium, you will have a free 2,000 worth of digital products aside from the discount. Now, if ever you wanted to test the water, we have the digital beginners kit for 99 pesos. Normally, that's 999 pesos. For tonight, that will be 499. So this is just an ebook with digital products included, but wala po ditong coaching, webinars. So, but you can start. For your special bonus. And so, kindly screenshot this one. Always remember, yung decision natin can change our life. So this is your ultimate sign. And I'm here to guide you, and we're here to help you. See you inside the tribe.